In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw a line with coordinates in AutoCAD. We're going to keep this simple, precise, and repeatable. Start by telling AutoCAD exactly what you want to do. Click in the drawing area so the command line is active, type the word line, and press enter. You'll see a prompt asking for the first point. This is where coordinates give you perfect control. Type the X value for your starting point, press Tab to move to the Y field, then type the Y value. Press enter to confirm. That point becomes your base point, the anchor for the line you're about to create. Remember, AutoCAD uses a standard Cartesian system. X runs left and right, Y runs up and down. Positive X goes to the right, positive Y goes up, and you can use negative values if your point is left or below the origin. Your actual units depend on your drawing setup, but the process is the same, whether you're working in inches, millimeters, or meters. After you set the base point, AutoCAD immediately prompts you for the next point. You have two options. You can move your mouse and click to place the next point visually, which is quick when you don't need exact numbers. Or, for precise placement, keep entering coordinates. This time, type the X value, then a comma, then the Y value, and press enter. The comma tells AutoCAD you're providing a single coordinate pair. No spaces are needed, just X, Y. Each time you press enter, AutoCAD draws a segment from the last point to the new one. You can continue in this way, adding as many points as you like, alternating between clicking with the mouse and typing exact coordinates whenever precision matters. Watch the command line as you work. It will always tell you what AutoCAD expects next, such as specify next point. If a number doesn't land where you expect, double-check your signs, decimal points, and the comma between X and Y. A couple of quick tips to stay oriented. If your points seem way off screen, it likely means the coordinates are far apart. You can zoom and pan as needed without interrupting the line command, then keep entering values. And don't worry if you change your mind mid-draw. You can simply stop adding points when you're finished. AutoCAD will keep asking for the next point until you're done. That's all there is to it. Type line and press. Enter. Enter your first X and Y with Tab and Enter. Then keep drawing by clicking or typing X, Y as you go. With this technique, you'll place lines exactly where you want them every time.